In this video, we'll look at the Manage and Search sections of the InfoBurst HTML5 user interface. Let's start with basic navigation. First, notice the navigation bar here in the dark gray. As I select a folder and navigate a folder structure, and here I'll select my Schedules folder and my Test Schedules folder, you'll notice the navigation path build. Using the navigation path, I can select any level or folder within that path and return to it. So here I'd like to move back to the root or manage, and here I'll go back to test schedules, and then I can navigate here to the schedules folder as well. Or using this simple navigation button, when it's available, you can navigate to the previous folder in the path. Next, we'll look at basic object information. I'll select my sales folder, and notice as I hover over the objects, on the right we can see basic object information. Object type, its ID number, who owns the object, and create and modified date information. We can filter objects in a folder by type. Select the filter button and select the desired object types. Here I'll filter by burst, and let's add schedules. And then I'll clear the filter by selecting all. Next, we'll look at object creation. To create an object, select a folder, then select the New button. Select your object type. We'll create a simple note object. On the right-hand side, give your object a name. Configure the rest of your object and save. And there's our new object. We'll also create a new folder. From our new menu, we'll select Folder, give it a name, and press Enter to create the new folder. And finally, we'll look at object management. To manage objects, select a folder. Here I'm within Sales, and then toggle Advanced Mode by clicking the pencil button. Select the object you'd like to manage. Here, for example, I'll select the Test subfolder, and I have basic management options. I can copy the folder, move it, or delete it. And in the case of a folder, I can set access rights, or I can rename the folder object. I'll clear the view. Next, I'll select this burst object. With objects, I can view object references. So this burst references a database connection object and a document. Notice that these are hyperlinks, and I can select them to browse directly to those objects. And I can also view the reference by. These are objects that reference the current object, in this case a schedule that references the burst. To exit advanced mode, either perform an action like copy or delete, or select the pencil icon to exit advanced mode. And to search for objects within InfoBurst, select the Search menu option, select an object type, and a search keyword. You can select the search result to view the object on the right, and if necessary, open the object in its parent folder.